Investing is all about balance, and how you allocate your assets plays a huge role in your success. But should you take a strategic approach or a tactical one? Let's break it down. First, what is asset allocation? It is simply how you divide your investments among different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and cash. The right mix depends on your financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Strategic asset allocation is like setting the foundation of your financial house. It's a long-term plan where you decide on a fixed asset mix and stick to it, adjusting only when your goals or circumstances change. For example, say you're a conservative investor. Your strategic asset allocation might be 60% bonds, 30% equities, and 10% cash. You'll rebalance periodically to maintain this asset allocation even if markets fluctuate. The goal is to minimize risk while staying aligned with your investment objectives. Tactical asset allocation, on the other hand, is more hands-on. It involves making short-term adjustments to your portfolio based on market conditions or economic trends with the aim of taking advantage of opportunities. Imagine you notice that tech stocks are expected to perform well in the next 6 to 12 months. You might temporarily increase your equity allocation from 30 to 40% to capitalize on that trend, planning to revert to your original allocation once the trend passes. It's more active strategy requiring research, timing, and sometimes a higher risk tolerance. So how do strategic and tactical asset allocation differ? Let's summarize. Strategic allocation is about staying steady through ups and downs, while tactical allocation is about seizing short-term opportunities. Now, which approach is right for you? It depends on your investing style, risk tolerance, and the time you're willing to spend managing your portfolio. If you prefer a hands-off approach, strategic allocation might be better. It's ideal for long-term investors who value stability. On the other hand, if you're comfortable taking risks and enjoy following market trends, tactical allocation can help you boost returns. But it requires more attention and effort. Here's the good news. You don't have to choose just one. Many investors use a combination of both. For example, you might stick to strategic planning for 90% of your portfolio and use the remaining 10% to tactically explore high potential opportunities. Whether you choose strategic, tactical, or a mix of both, the key is to ensure your asset allocation aligns with your financial goals and risk appetite. Think long-term, act smart, and stay diversified. Thanks for watching. For more tips on personal finance and investing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Remember, your asset allocation strategy is your roadmap to financial success.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.